guys, welcome to Talisha's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make peach cobbler. I'm going to make mine with a little twist. Excuse the way I look. I know I look a mess, but hey, that's not the point of this video. So I'm going to tell you all the things that you need. So you're going to need some peaches, you're going to need some butter, some vanilla extract, you're going to need some pure vanilla bean paste, self-rising flour. You can't use nothing other than self-rising flour, some cinnamon, some cornstarch, butter, brown sugar, and we're going to make a twist with this. We're going to use some honey buns. So first, what you need to do is put this size pan. You want to put, I would say, 2.5 sticks of butter in there and let it melt. So I'm going to, while I'm preparing this, I'm going to put this in here and let the butter melt in the oven. The oven is on 365, so I'm going to put this in the oven. I have 4 cans of peaches in there. These are size up by almost 2-pound peaches. I got 4 of these. I already poured them in there, so I'm going to pour the last one. It is such a gloomy day in Atlanta. It is raining. Put you about 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Just a little dash of vanilla bean. Dash of syrup. I'm gonna add some cinnamon. I know my measuring is off, y'all, but y'all gotta bear with me with this. Sprinkle in some cornstarch. Add like a little tablespoon of honey. It's a good mix. About that much butter. It is a mix. So let's bring this to the stove because we're going to cook it. We're just going to bring that to a boil. Okay, for that size pan, if you use a cup of self-rising, you're going to use a cup of sugar. So they both have their match. So I'm going to do 4 cups of self-rising and 4 cups of sugar. I think it's 4. Let me make sure. Yeah, 4. And just sprinkle you some cinnamon in there. Mix this together. Make sure this is mixed in all together. I'm gonna set this to the side because I'm not gonna add the milk yet. We're going to cut up the honey buns. This is gonna be really, really good. Call this Honeybun Peach Cobbler. I'm gonna take out 4. Even though I got 5, I just want to see how it looks when I cut it up. And I'm gonna stir this. Let me bring that back. Sorry guys. Add a cup of brown sugar. How the hell I forget that? And a cup of sugar. Now let's mix this. I knew I was forgetting something. Yes, okay. Go ahead and let this bring to a boil. Let's get back to the honey buns. And we're going to cut these up. Yeah, I think 4 might be enough. So I'm just slicing them, going straight. Then we're gonna make these like cubes. I'm gonna go ahead and throw this in here since it's out. It ain't gonna hurt. Okay, see how now it's just mixed in. You just want to make sure everything really melt down and that sugar kind of blend in. I'm just giving this a stir, but it's ready. I don't know why I add a little bit more cinnamon. Sometimes I add nutmeg, but nutmeg give it like a dry taste. I don't know if I might be putting too much, but hey. And sit this to the side. Gonna spray some non-stick butter just around the edges. Okay, set that right there. So now you're gonna add, I would do 2 cups of milk first. I eyeball mine, but I'm gonna show you how it looks. Because you just want this to be like a little paste. I need some milk. Oh, it's too thick. You don't want it like running at all. Okay, you see how that is? That's the consistency of it you want. You don't want it, too thick, and you don't want it running. So what you do is pour this right in the middle of this butter. Do not mix this. Sprinkle the honey buns in there. Okay, take your peaches and coat them. You're going to drain most of the juice off of here. But don't worry. And the reason why you don't mix it, because that self-rising and the dough that it makes is going to rise above it. The oven is heated at 375. I think I already said that, but you get it. I'm just going to take some of this sauce and just drizzle it on the top. Not a lot. I got some cinnamon sugar. You're just going to sprinkle this on the top. Place this in the oven, and when it rises a golden brown, it will be ready. We'll be back. peach cobbler is ready. I am going to let this sit. That crust. Let this sit for about 30 minutes. Okay, we are back. Look at this. So I got me some ice cream. Now what I made a mistake and did was poured off the juice that was you know, from the peach cobbler, because after you put this on there you could have just poured it on there, but my goofy butt done always doing something stupid. But anyways, let's get into this. Look at that. Let's put some ice cream on it. I don't have an ice cream scooper. Like, it's 2022. Who don't have an ice cream scooper? But the way I'm scooping it out, you would think I did. Look at this. Let's taste it. Maybe some honey bun. Some ice cream. Oh, it's so good. It's really good. I think I like it better with the honey buns. Well, you guys, I done brought you some Honeybun Peach Cobbler. Let me know how y'all make y'all's. I can't even say no more. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. I gotta go. This is so good. Look at my Honeybun Peach Cobbler.